Hi everyone, I hope your day is going well. So this project is for my great nephew. He loves playing video games, so I designed this shirt all from images from Cricut Design Space. I did have to do some slicing and some welding, but this is the project that I came up with. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I've got everything ready, and remember these files are always on my blog and they're always free. Just sign up for my newsletter. It'll give you a password. And once you have that password, you have instant access to all of my files. All of my files are free on my blog. Okay, so let's click on Make It. And this is an iron-on project, so we want to make sure that we mirror. And it also has 3 layers, so we're going to turn the mirror on for each individual layer. Alrighty, so go ahead and click on Continue. It's going to locate my maker. And I'm going to hit on Browse All Materials. And I'm going to select Iron On. And I've got Everyday Iron On for this project. And click Done. And then want to make sure that the mirror is turned on. It's just the message that they give you. And that when you put material on, that you put the shiny side down on the mat. And then use your fine point blade. All right, there we go. I'll meet you over at the maker in just a moment. Okay, now remember with iron on, you always want to put the shiny side down, just like I had let us know. So basically this is the dull side and this is the shiny side. So I've already put the white one on here for us. I'll load my mat. I made sure that I had my fine tip blade. Hit the load button and the go button. Okay, so we'll get our t-shirt. We want to preheat it. I looked up the settings on the Cricut site, and what we're going to be doing is 315 degrees. So I've got my heat press, my large one aside, and I've got it at 315. And first we're going to preheat for 5 seconds and just kind of make sure that I've got it nice and straight. All right, so let's go ahead and preheat. Okay, and then we want to put our first layer down. I've got my ruler. Where did I put it? There it is. I like to bring this just across since it's for a little guy, a little big guy. We're going to put it right about there. That kind of helps give me a middle point, a nice line point. Well, it wasn't supposed to stick that good. There we go. All right, that looks good. So now typically when we do this, let's see, I'm going to do, since I've got layers, normally we'd be doing it for 30 seconds. So I'm going to change my timer. I'm going to do 25. Okay. Okay, and that evidently was not enough, so do it for a few more seconds. I'll let it cool for a little bit since it's a warm peel, not a hot peel. Since this is the first layer, I'm going to go ahead and turn it back over and do the back side. You always want to do the back side, especially when you're working with the 100% cotton t-shirts, and do another 5 seconds. Okay. Now we're going to do the second layer. I'm going to cut this in half, just kind of use it as like a protective sheet. Let's iron on. It's kind of light, so I just want to protect what's already on there. There we go. You could put one whole piece over. I prefer to do it this way. So we're going to go back. We're going to do another 25. Do another 5. Get our last little layer here. Okay, I'm going to flip it over and do the 5 more seconds again, and then we will be done. Now keep in mind too, this shirt would be awesome with using the infusible ink as well. I wanted a black shirt, and you can't use infusible ink on black unless you use like a glitter iron-on underneath it, and then that way the infusible ink will adhere to the glitter iron-on. But I didn't think that my nephew would want a glitter t-shirt, so hence why I picked the 100% cotton black shirt. In any case, turned out super nice. This is very the everyday vinyl. That's going to be awesome. I know he's going to love it as much as he loves video gaming, and to have one that was personally made for him by his great auntie, I think he'll like it. All right. So if you want to hear the funny story as to why he's getting this t-shirt, be sure to check out my blog, because there I explain the story of how this t-shirt came about. It's pretty cute. I'll give you a hint. It has to do with a dog and his little sister's headbands. All right. See you soon and create with love. Bye.